Hey guys, so this is my first time at Mini Mayhem, and a huge part of Mini Mayhem are these drag races. Well, I didn't build anything fast to bring this time. I'll do better next time, but my buddy Juan flew out to hang out with me, and he decided to take my 4x4 go-kart for a spin here. Oh, thing is so slow. I didn't make it to go fast.
And they were cute.
Well, then Juan got the idea that since the four-wheel drive suspension kits had reverse, that he should race the guys from Cars and Camera going backwards, which, you know, good idea in theory. Oh, they're gonna race in reverse. He's gonna put it into the wall. So laughing at one of my best friends almost putting my go-kart into the wall, probably not the greatest idea, but he's okay and all's well. And, you know, what do? I knew we were going to lose out the gate. They have twice the motor on that thing and way higher gearing. But whatever, it was fun. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.